the east. Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina, Colligan County in southeastern South Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitehall, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Hollywood, Ravenel, Macon, Jacksonboro, Asheville, Adams Run, Green Pond, Ritter, and Whitehall. This includes Interstate 95 at full characteristics tonight or tropical Atlantic 7. Shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. The local time is 8:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I thought I'd miss conversation. I thought I'd miss every little thing. Yeah, it's been a year or more, I feel. But I miss it more than I do.
Impact. Entries. Locations impacted include Hollywood, Ravenel, Macon, Jacksonboro, Asheville, Adams.
Carry on!
State 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 48 and 51. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.